Here I've got KENXINDA V6 and let me show you how to activate and use power saving mode on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select battery, it's right here. And if you'd like to activate battery saving mode, just click on battery saver. And here by tapping on this switcher, you can smoothly activate low power solution. Once you see the red line, that means that you are currently in power saving mode. And then to switch off power saving, just click here and now it's no longer active. Then you can also set some automatic rules. Just click on turn on automatically and pick either 5 or 15% of the battery. Let me pick for example 15%, and from now on every time your battery is lower than 15%, then power saving mode will be automatically activated. So actually that would be all, so you can smoothly, quickly and easily activate power saving mode. Also you can have a quick access to power saving mode through the upper bar, so simply slide it down, then select the battery, and now you can tap here to activate power saving mode and then switch it off the same way. So actually that would be all, this is how you can smoothly, quickly and easily save power in your device, how you can activate low power solution. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.